Annyeong K-Republicans! Welcome back to my channel, K-Republic! And for today's vlog, ang topic natin ngayon ay ang pinaka-trending and pinaka-sikat na K-drama ngayon sa Netflix. Yan ang All of Us Are Dead. So, isa ako sa mga naki All of Us Are Dead fever. Kasi naman ako talaga, ever since I'm really into high school drama and Korean zombie films or dramas. So, swak na swak talaga sa akin tong All of Us Are Dead. Kasi ngayon talaga yung mga genre or type of dramas na pinapanood ko. Plus, nainganyo din ako kasi ito yung comeback drama ni Park Solomon. So, actually, I'm his fan since Sweet Revenge. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam ng Sweet Revenge, guys, I highly recommend that drama. Grabe. A high school drama din siya na leading man dun si Park Solomon. So, if you haven't watched it, try it. I highly recommend that drama, guys. Sobrang ma-inlove kayo dun kay Park Solomon. So, recently, top 1 ang All of Us Are Dead sa Philippines, sa Netflix Philippines for, I think, since nung nag-release yung drama na to, and until now, top 1 pa rin siya. What I like about this drama is, yun nga, like I've said, it's a high school drama and a zombie drama. Plus, ang ganda rin talaga ng kanyang ng story, ng kanyang plot. It's a story about zombie apocalypse na nag-start sa isang high school, which is ang Hyosan High School. Ayun, ayoko na mag-spoiler, baka mabash ako, baka mapagalitan ako, or sa mga hindi pa nanonood. Pero I'm pretty sure most of you guys nakapanood na rin ito kasi like I've said, sobrang trending ngayon nitong drama na to sa social media ngayon. As you can see on the first clip here on this vlog, ayun na nga, I'll be talking about my favorite character in All of Us Are Dead. Yan is si Jang Harry, which is the archery girl or the archery student. So, she's really one of my favorite characters sa drama na yun. Kasi syempre naman, grabe yung na nag-ambon ng swagness, ng coolness, sinalo talaga ni ate girl. And kung ako naman din nang papapiliin, kung magkakaroon ng zombie apocalypse, I really want to be BFF with Jang Harry kasi super reliable yung friend. Feeling ko magiging safe ako. Bukod sa gusto ko rin syempre maging maging BFF si Chongsan sa kasi si Chongsan sa kasi nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ni Solomon dun. Si Baresu. Si ayun, nakalimutan ko na. Isa sa pinaka-favorite part ko talaga din ng drama na yun is yung romance part niya na grabe, parang marirealize mo na sa zombie apocalypse talaga. You really wish na meron kang reliable na classmate or lover. Kasi, ayun, you cannot rely on yourself lang. Kailangan meron ka pa ring friends, meron ka pa ring someone, special someone. So, ayan. Yun isa.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But you just keep...
Isa din sa i-discuss ko ngayon is yung sport ni Jang Harry, which is yung archery. So, I'll be discussing about archery, guys. So, I was able to try archery a few years ago. So, disclaimer nga pala, I'll be re-uploading this clip here ng aking archery experience since napapanahon dahil sa All of Us Are Dead. And I'm sure some of you guys then is nung napanood yung All of Us Are Dead, parang naging interested about archery. And yeah, I highly recommend trying archery. Archery is one of the most famous sport in Korea, if I'm not mistaken. And recently, naging gold medalist ang kanilang pambato sa Olympics. And yeah, madalas nyo rin makita ang archery na nilalaro ng mga ating favorite K-pop idols sa ISAC. So, definitely hindi na bago ang archery if you're a K-drama or K-pop fan. If you wanna try archery, meron akong i-recommend na isang place sa Quezon City. It's called DMC Archery Range. And balita ko, kakabukas lang din nila ulit this January 28. According to their recent FB post, they are allowing about 8 shooters or 8 persons per hour sa kanilang facility. So, ang kanilang per hour there is 300 pesos. So, unlimited, ano na yun? Unlimited shoot or unlimited arrow na yun. So, hindi ko hindi ko makakalimutan yung experience ko dun sa DMC Archery Range kasi it's really one of a kind. Especially if nakikurious ka what is archery all about, kasi talaga doon for about 300 pesos an hour matututo ka na ng archery. Actually, archery hindi naman siya ganun kahirap pag-aralan. Sa mga first timer, sa mga nag-iisip na hindi ako marunong mag-archery, definitely pagdating mo doon guys, kahit first timer ka pa lang, matututo ka na kagad ng archery. So I highly recommend it. Yan, ito yung aking nakabulsay ako. We have it guys. So I hope natulungan ko kayo kung kayo ay nagpaplanong i-try ang archery. So again, it's a must try guys. Diyan hari na rin kayo guys, para just in case magkaroon ng zombie apocalypse na wag naman sana, at least meron kayong alam nyo, meron kayong other way to defend yourself. Hopefully wag naman, sana, knock on wood. Diyos ko, hindi ko yata kakayanin yun. And I hope you enjoy my topic for today guys. So I'm still waiting for updates about All of Us Are Dead. As far as I know, meron silang confirm na yata ang kanilang season 2 with most of the same cast. And yeah, I'm so excited. So, and of course, if you want more updates, if you want more contents about K-drama, K-pop, K-food, if you're new to this channel, I highly recommend for you to subscribe to my channel. Ayan guys, so like nyo na rin yung video na to and share nyo na rin tong video na to if you like archery. So happy watching guys. So All of Us Are Dead. See you on our next K-drama reviews. And again, see you next time. Annyeong!